People attach a great deal of value to individualism and to each person's right to think for themselves without conforming to the values imposed by society or tradition. That is good. But on the other hand, people acquire information only from outside sources through the media and in particular through television. These have become our only reference points and our only sources of inspiration. This extreme dependence makes us incapable of holding our own or of using our own personal qualities, and as a result, we lack confidence in our true nature.